Welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories.
Here's what's cooking in Shail's Kitchen today. Barbecue chicken and barbecued beef and pork ribs. So this is what I made with the spicy barbecue sauce that I did that video on for you guys. So check out the description box below. I'll leave the link with the recipe. I seasoned the chicken and ribs with some green seasoning, fresh ground garlic, kosher salt, and coarse ground black pepper to taste. So our final touch is some Worcestershire sauce. Now this gets covered with plastic wrap, put in the refrigerator overnight to marinate. Remember to bring your meat to room temperature before cooking. I'm pre-baking my ribs and chicken for about 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The ribs just came out of the oven. Boy, they smell good. Now it's time to pre-bake the chicken. So the chicken's all pre-baked and now it's time to get the grill ready to put the meat on. So Mommy and I are taking turns fanning the pit. We need all the muscle power we can get for this one. It's looking good though. As soon as they get ashed over, I'll spread them out. Spread the coals out and we'll put the grill on. Top side down first for the pork and beef ribs. I have a little space on the side, so guess what? I'm just gonna put my corn on the side there. Let that start get going. I'm gonna do some roast corn. All right, time to do a little flipping. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna have to move these to the side a little bit. See that fire is flaring up? Put them off to the side. I just dunked the ribs in that barbecue sauce, so I'm just gonna leave them for a couple minutes, not long, and take them off. We are grilling and chilling on the 4th of July. I think it's time to give our corn a little flip. Oh, look at that. Getting nicely roasted. We used to do this all the time in Trinidad when we were growing up. Nice roast corn. Don't need anything on it. Beautiful. Chicken's down on the grill. Soon it's time to flip. So let's give the chicken a check here. Okay, that looks nice. These pieces on the end, on the outside, oh, that's good. Might need a couple more minutes on that one. And these three look nice. Yes. So I put the two pieces that were on the outside that were not ready yet, I put them to the middle so they could get some more heat and get nice and brown. Sometimes you need to do that just to rotate things around the grill to make sure everything gets even cooking. Looks like the roast corn is ready. I'm gonna take those off the grill and then check my chicken again because it might be time to put that sauce. So I have to show you what I'm doing with the dunking process like I told you about. I just put the chicken into the sauce. I did the same thing with the ribs and then I'm going to put it back on the grill. Man, that looks good. So I'm just going to continue with the dunking. Ooh, nice. Oh, listen to that thunder, man. The rain's starting to come down too. Hey, listen, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of 4th of July celebration where we are grilling and chilling. And see you next time on Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. So guess what? I still have some real nice heat here going in my barbecue pit, so I decided to throw a few more things on here. I got some plantain that I'm gonna roast and also some tomatoes. Maybe we could make some nice tomato choker. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Shail's Kitchen. And follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest.
Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time on Shail's Kitchen. home of good food and good memories.